Today I want to talk about some channel business. First thing is I'm going to do a giveaway of some machines. Second thing is I want to talk about you all writing to me in my emails and on my Patreon. And the third thing is a story that's from my many wars in the toy sculpting business here in LA. I'm announcing the first ever channel giveaway, and I'm giving away 4 machines, 2 FDM printers and 2 rotation molding machines. Let's start with the printers. One is a longer LK5 Pro. The other is a Kingroom KP3. There's tons of videos about these machines on YouTube. You should have no problem learning all about them. I used them in channel projects. I don't want them anymore. They do have some little funky printing issues that I just never had the time or the patience to straighten out, but they're basically functioning. They're basically making prints. If you want them, the price of admission is, and the way you win this competition is, you're the first one to use the email link below, and you're the first one to come get them. And other than that, they're free. No cost to you at all. And the other things I'm giving away are rotation molding machines, including this big rotator, which I built and used in channel projects in the past. Thing works like a champion. I tend to build my rotators for the project that I use them for, and I don't think I'll be using this one anymore. And anyway, I'll probably just, if I do, I'll just build some new ones. This is my medium-sized rotator. It's super smooth, super well balanced. Makes beautiful rotation castings. So all 4 machines are running. They're in good condition. They all work, but you gotta come get them. So there's an email address down below. Contact me, and you can come by and pick up any or all of these machines. I want to thank everybody that's taken the time and the effort to write to me over the years. Mostly people write to me and say, how do I cast this? It's kind of hard for me because the simple answer is you pretty much can't. Perfect example, someone just recently in the last couple of weeks wrote to me with this amazing project, incredible amount of thought and energy going into these things, but his project is going to require 30,000 unique molds. 30,000 molds? I don't even know what to say when I get a project like that in. That is more molds than I have made in my 40-year career. The other thing I get is people that want to do, they have this great idea. They see what's out in the marketplace and they want to make something that's so much better. And they say, well, I want to build this car, this Ford Escort. It's a nice car, and everything's okay, you know, but this is my idea for a car. And they go through it, and I look at it, and I go, that's a Bugatti Veyron. You want to make a Bugatti and sell it for the same price as the Escort. And, I mean, people come up with these incredibly complex projects, and they're just not makeable. And that's the truth. And I feel bad because I'm always the bearer of bad news. If I have not responded to you, it's for 2 reasons. One is I'm overwhelmed by the amount of mail I get. And also, frankly, I really don't have anything useful to tell you about your project other than to say, you don't have to start over. One of the things that I keep talking about on this channel over and over again is that if you want to successfully resin cast something, you have to design your project from the beginning, from the inception, from the sketches going forward as a resin casting project, which means you have to understand the resin casting process intimately. This is what my entire channel is about. And the reason that I harp on this so much is because of my experience as a toy sculptor. I'll give you a perfect example. This little Leap the Frog toy, I couldn't figure out how they were going to make it. And the reason I couldn't figure it out is because of pull. How are we going to pull this thing out of the mold? So I needed to know from the beginning, from the sketch, what the engineering process, what the manufacturing process was going to be, because otherwise I couldn't sculpt it correctly for that process. So we had to sit down and figure out all of the technical specifications and processes ahead of time. And that way I could sculpt it correctly so they could make the thing successfully. But if you don't do that, if you just make something really, really, really cool, you've probably made something that's also not makeable or manufacturable. I got to tell you a story that comes from my career as a toy sculptor in LA. I did a lot of work for Disney over the years, and they called me in on a new job, and they gave me the drawings, and I looked at them and I said, you're sure they want to design? You're sure you want to make this piece? You want this to be made just like it's drawn here? And they said, yeah, yeah, do it. I said, okay, but I'm going to have a PO that says I get paid in full even if the job gets canceled. And they said, yeah, no problem. No worries. I said, okay, I'll do it. And these toys are bubble blowing pipes. And what you do is you load them up with soapy solution and you blow on them and they make bubbles and they're cute. They're fun. And everyone's liking them and oh, they're really cute and they're really great. And I said, yeah, and this is how the kids are going to play with them. Hi, Mickey. I'm Robert. Hi, Robert. I'm Mickey. If you want to make bubbles, just blow me. And I look around the conference table and everyone's like, because that was the first time they saw the fatal flaw of these toys. This job went through the concept stage, rough sketches, finished drawings, technical drawings. I mean, everything they needed to do before they handed it over to a freelance sculptor to sculpt the prototype. Oh, nobody saw it in all their innocence, in all their Disney innocence. They never saw how kids would play with this toy. And that is why I only have the wax sculptures of these toys, because this job got killed right then and right there. If you like this video, check out this video next. If you got some value out of this video and you want to support the channel, check out my Patreon. The link is down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.